A few days ago, I went down to St. Lawrence Market here in Toronto to one of my favorite spots, White House Meats. They're one of the best places in Toronto to find game meats. I've gone there for crocodile, for camel, for kangaroo, and this time I went down and I got venison because venison is a meat I've never eaten before. Okay, here we go. Cast iron, very little bit of olive oil, just because that's what I had, and yeah, let's cook them. All right. So, of course, if you've never had venison before, let's take a look. Venison is elk or deer, usually elk. The recommended temperature for venison is 160. So, take a look at how we're doing. Oh, yeah, we're there. We're going to try these Ron Swanson style without any toppings. Get that first bite and see what we think. And then maybe a little mustard. Okay, so we've now moved to my very messy desk. So I'm keeping a tight shot because I don't want you to see how messy my desk is. Fluid. And let's give one of these a try. Okay. Here we go. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's not gamey. It's light. It's pleasant. It's a good taste. I probably could have let it stay a little pinker, a little more rare. I like my meat rare. As my friend Jake Garrett would say, as a steak order, walk it through a warm room. So, yeah, that's good. Venison. The first of 5 animals I've never eaten before. I'm going to try and get a little more exotic. I still absolutely want to try horse. And then I want to try to find some exotic stuff that I've never had before. But venison was definitely on the list. And I'm glad I gave it a try. All right. Yeah. That's good. Ding.